For these questions, you're going to write fractions as circle models. So the directions say show each fraction bar model, and a fraction bar model is just a model that shows a fraction by separating a rectangle into parts. So you're going to show that as a circle model, and a circle model is just a model that shows a fraction by separating a circle into parts. So let's do some examples and see how to do it. On number 1, we first look at the fraction bar model and we find the fraction it represents. Since 3 parts are shaded, our numerator is going to be 3 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 out of 8 parts are shaded in this fraction bar model. We're going to create a circle model to show that. So it starts by drawing a circle. When you have your circle drawn, you need to divide it into 8 parts. The denominator of the fraction tells how many parts the circle should have. You should be very careful and try to get your parts as equal as possible, because with fractions, your parts must be exactly the same size. When you're hand drawing them, you probably can't get them exactly the same size, but you just want to try to get as close to it as you can. So I'm going to break the circle into 8 parts. Okay, I tried to get them as equal as I could, but I do have 8 parts. So to show this as a circle, I just need to color 3 of the pieces. So even though this model and this model look very different, they both represent the same exact value, 3/8. So let's do another one. On number 2, we have 4 out of 6. So I want to start by drawing my circle, and I want to divide it into 6 pieces. So I'm just going to divide it in half first, and then try to get 3 equal pieces on each side. And then I need to color 4 of them. So even though these look differently, they both are representing the same amount, 4 out of 6. All right, and let's do number 3. Here we have 1 out of 2. So this circle is only going to have 2 pieces, and one of them is colored. So you can see that half of it's colored. On number 4, we have 2 out of 3. When you're dividing into thirds, you can make a sort of peace sign. We're going to color 2 of them. And these models both represent the exact same amount. All right, you try the rest on your own, and if you need help, you can come back and rewatch the video. Good luck.